Anyone who knows me knows that I am a nosy peeker. This is what they're looking like, which is very good. On nine, what is it? We did 15 on 6 minutes. So we'll let it cook the remainder of the time. As I said before, I am a peaker, and as you can see, out of the 15 minutes, it's at 7:16. We're almost, what is that? 8 minutes. So it's been cooking now for 7 minutes on one side at the broil for 400. So let's open it, take a look. As you can see, it looks pretty damn delicious. But we're going to let it go a little bit more before we turn it, okay? Just for me. You can turn it if you like, but we're just going to let it go just a little bit more. Just maybe till 6 minutes, because that way would have cooked 5 minutes. That way it would have cooked 10 minutes on one side. So we'll just let it go for those few seconds, and then we'll turn it, okay? Okay, now I think I'm ready to turn. Let's open. To me, it looks deliciously brown on the bone side. So 1 second while we'll turn it. Give me a minute. Okay, I've gone ahead and turned it over, and as you can see, this is the meat side. It's undone, and that's only after 7 minutes. So what we're going to do, but it looks pretty brown and tasty to me, but we're still going to put it in back in where it was, and we have 550 left over. So what we're going to do is we're going to bump it up to 7 minutes. I think that's a good starting point, because the other one cooked for 10, so I just did it on that side for 7. And if we need to debate, depending on how it looks, if we need to do it more, we can, and we'll let it do its thing. But I think the important thing that we want to take away from this is that we cook this to taste and to appearance. Everybody's appearance is different, everybody's taste is different, but we want to make sure it's pleasing to the eye. And we'll be back in about 5 minutes just to see what it look like, okay? As I said before, I'm a peeker. So after it's been in, what is it, about 5 minutes, let's just look and see what it looks like. Let's just open it up and see what it looks like. This is with the seasoning. As you can see, the meat is brown and tender. It's only been 5 minutes. This is where we can play with the sauces after we take it out for a few minutes. Hold on. Now, if you're like me, we use Heinz 57 sauce. Is it Heinz? I forgot the other one that we use up in Cleveland, but this is the one I use down here. It's called Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And I also add some buffalo sauce to give it just a little bit of teeny tiny kick. I don't like hot stuff, but it's enough for me. And I put both of these on there. You can use whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is. This is where it gets a little fun. As you can see, I put sauce on the top of the ribs. And why did I do that? Just to let it go back into the cooker so some of the barbecue taste can melt into our delicious ribs. As you can see, I hope you can, that they are coming along rather nicely. Let's see if we can turn on a light. No, we can't turn on the light where you can see, but they're coming along rather nice, and we're going to put them back into the fryer. It's like a minute left, but you remember we did, like, I think it was 10 minutes, and then we did 7 minutes. So we just want to throw maybe another 3 on there. It's all depending on you, what you like and what your taste is. So we'll see what they look like after a few more minutes. Okay, let's take a look at what our ribs are looking like after the 3 minutes. I hope you can see, to me, they look simply delicious, but I'm going to put it back in for just a few more moments because it's only like 43 seconds left, but we'll just do another 1 minute. I don't know, just to make sure that that barbecue sauce gets good and baked in again. That's what I like. For about another 1 minute. As you can see, they look simply delicious. I hope you can see here's the finished product with a little bit of sauce on there. The best part, you can sauce it all the way up. I'm not a sauce fan. Put it all over both sides, but you want to let it cool a little bit because it's extremely hot. So, and if you find that it's kind of tough to you, you can also put it in the oven or either the microwave for a few minutes. But enjoy the way you like it, because I'm going to eat the hell out of these ribs. Thank you very much.